Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Sneezing 4 times in a row is typically not a cause for concern. It can be a natural response to irritants, allergies, or a cold. However, if frequent, intense sneezing episodes persist or are accompanied by other symptoms, it's wise to consult a healthcare professional for a thorough evaluation. Sneezing is your body's way of clearing nasal passages, so occasional multiple sneezes are just a part of this process.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.